What's the meaning of Balkan? Balkan. Balkan.
Balkan. Balkan. The term Balkan refers to a region in Southeast Europe that includes countries like Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Greece, Kosovo, Montenegro, North Macedonia, Romania, Serbia, and Slovenia. The word derives from the Turkish word Balkan, meaning mountains. The region is characterized by its complex and colorful history, diverse cultural traditions, and stunning natural beauty. However, it has also been marred by conflicts, wars, and political instability throughout its history. Despite these challenges, the Balkans continue to be a fascinating and unique part of the world that offers visitors rich experiences, delicious cuisine, and endless possibilities for exploration.